Okay, good morning, all lovers of freedom. My name is Nnamdi Kanu, one of the lawyers in Nnamdi Kanu. Today is the 15th of March, 2026. I've been in Sokoto since on the 13th of March, 2026 to consult with my client, Nnamdi Kanu. And I'm happy to announce to us that we had very fruitful discussions and there will be so many emerging issues to be handled and to be treated in a very short while. There will be established a 100-man committee, a 100-man committee that will be in charge of so many things to come. The 100-man committee will be headed by Nnamdi Kanu himself, and there will be other deputies to assist him in heading this 100-man committee. And I want to tell us that he is of high spirit despite the incarceration, and he has told us that we must remain one at all times. We must maintain focus at all times. We must be united at all times. He also expressed his thank you to the governor of Abia State for being a very democratic man, for not interfering with the rally to release him, for not interfering with the fundamental rights of people who came in to rally for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. So the governor, we thank you. The legal team, thanks you. You have done well. You have acted as if you are not a Nigerian politician. You acted like an American politician who believes in the human right of people. We thank you. God will bless you. And by the grace of God, with the good works we are doing in Abia State, I are likely going to have a second term. And I want to thank all those who are assisting one way or the other to see that Nnamdi Kanu is free. We want to thank you. Be steadfast in your pursuit for justice. Be steadfast in your pursuit for love. Be steadfast in your pursuit for freedom. God will help us. And as I bid you farewell from the Sultan Abubakar III, Sultan Abubakar III Airport, I want to say thank you. Yes, I want to say also thank you to Shore, Sahid, and all those who came in to rally. You see, the funny thing is that Shore, Sahid, and all the others, they are not Igbos. They are Yorubas, but they believe in the struggle for freedom. They believe in the independence of people. They believe in self-determination. Not all those who are scared of the freedom of other people. So we thank those committees. We thank those who came in from Lagos, from the Urobo Biafra. We thank all of you.